The upcoming Wray Nephew Fight Night will be more than just a boxing showcase, as the Jamaica Boxing Association will use proceeds from its final event of the 2025 series to donate towards Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts. Denise Waters tells us more.
President of the Jamaica Boxing Association, Stephen Bomber Jones, is happy for the return of the fight night for a number of reasons, including helping the boxers who have been affected.
I personally never thought we'd be having another fight card after Melissa, but the fact that everybody called for it, not only for the fight, but to use it as a platform to help build back, in terms of having an outlet for donations and the proceeds going towards the boxers. I think it carries a lot of weight, and it's going to be a very big fight card, a very good fight card, so it's one that I think will end the year well.
A number of boxers from the Montego Bay gym were affected.
Individually, it was traumatizing because some of them, they actually lost their roof. So, some of them, their beds are being wet, some don't have clothes. Majority of them, they don't have food. But, the gym is a safe haven for them. We'll text in the group at a particular time and we would all link up on that day, so that we could hear what they're saying. A lot of them, they are mentally distraught, and I can realize that they are traumatized. But like I said, we are resilient, and I try to let them know that there is always a better tomorrow. Just put your best foot forward. Don't think on things that you have lost, but try to rebuild from where you are at now.
Meanwhile, Jermaine Bowen will take on Julio Domre Bomber Guerrero of the Dominican Republic in one of 3 pro fights on a loaded 10-card bout. And Bowen is encouraging fans too.
Well, you can come out and see pure demolition at this fight. Just going to go destroy my opponent completely, wreck him. I'm going to make him experience Melissa because he wasn't here. So come December 13, pure destruction and fireworks.
The other 2 pro bouts featured the unbeaten Juzier Ironman Heron against Honorary Moreta of the Dominican Republic in the super welterweight division, and debutant Daniel Hilton will be up against Damar Haslam in the light heavyweight bout. 2 amateur boxers from the Montego Bay gym will be on the card. The fights will be held at the Constant Spring Football Field on Saturday, December 13. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.